Thanks so much, Dave. Good morning. Thank you all for your time. My name is Sarah Nawab. I'm a staff attorney with Prisoners Legal Services of Massachusetts. I am also the director of PLS's Women's Incarceration Conditions and Reentry Project. Through my work at PLS, I keep in regular contact with women incarcerated at MCI Framingham through phone calls, letters, and legal visits. My mandate is to provide legal assistance to these women to try to resolve the issues they face during incarceration. Through this work, I've found that incarcerated women's concerns have little to do with the physical plant of MCI Framingham and are rather a result of deeply rooted cultural issues. For example, women at MCI Framingham regularly report harassment from staff, including body shaming, use of misogynistic language, and sexual harassment. Women who try to use the prison's internal grievance process to document these issues report facing retaliation. This retaliation has resulted in fear among incarcerated women when it comes to making complaints about problem officers or harmful staff behavior. This culture of harassment and retaliation is endemic to the prison system and is not an issue that we can build our way out of. Women at MCI Framingham also report a lack of access to meaningful programming. For example, unlike incarcerated men in medium security, women at MCI Framingham are not allowed to form and meet in self-help groups. They also only have access to a certificate program with no means of obtaining a college degree at this time. Providing meaningful education, programming, and permission to form self-help groups is something MCI Framingham and the Department of Correction could do right now, and it would not require an expensive new complex. Women also report how difficult it is to obtain medical parole. Since the passage of the medical parole law as part of the Criminal Justice Reform Act of 2018, PLS has filed 12 medical parole petitions on behalf of 8 women at MCI Framingham, and only one of our petitions has been granted. This is why PLS, following the lead of our partners at Families for Justice's Healing, is supporting a bill that would clarify and expand the medical parole process and also create a process for elder parole so we can safely release many of the oldest and longest serving women in the Commonwealth. This bill and other reforms like it are what the Commonwealth should be focusing on to promote public safety. Since the passage of the CJRA, the Commonwealth has made incredible strides to reduce incarceration rates, especially for women. A $360 million women's prison complex will take us backwards and undo our progress. Women incarcerated at MCI Framingham have also been clear that they do not want this complex. Rather, they want quality programming, reentry support, and meaningful pathways to release. PLS's mandate is to support the needs of incarcerated people, so we, like our clients, oppose this project. Thank you again for your time.